Happy Bharat, happy world, rich Bharat, rich world. I am Kaveshri, working in Kapila Maharshi Numerology Office as a PRO. Let's speak with Baba Pandurangam Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach, and also yoga guru, about Harsha Sai, YouTuber. Hello, sir. How are you?
Happy morning, great morning, good morning. I am always happy. What about you, Kavashri?
I am also very, very fine, sir.
Very nice. Today topic is
About
Harsha Sai,
yes.
betting apps.
Yes, he's doing many betting apps, and he will be arrested as he is doing many scams.
Yes.
And investing more money in the scams also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So every day you can take the magic water.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can affirmation simply and fastly and happily. In my lucky account, I got every day 1 crore 59 lakhs 33,999.
Yes.
Thank you, universe. Thank you, numbers. Yours lovingly, BABAPANDURANGAM. It's my affirmation.
Yes.
You can also say same like your name and your target
Yes.
amount.
Your affirmation also.
Okay.
And you can drink the water.
You can drink the water after the affirmation.
Yes, sir. And you can get lucky results also then.
Definitely. You can also you can stick the numbers.
Yes.
Please explain the lucky stickers numbers.
Yes. These lucky stickers are available in our office. Please collect from our office. The price is only 1,000 rupees if you come directly. And if you want courier service, the price is only 1,600. And lucky stickers, one more video also is available. Please check out the video for more information.
Right.
And the office timings is 10 to 5 o'clock only. Then afterwards, you can send any message in WhatsApp.
Thank you. Today we are going to explain the Pancharatnas.
Yes.
Pancharatnas,
Lucky name, lucky mobile number, lucky bank account number, lucky vehicle number, lucky marriage age.
Yes.
The sixth one is lifetime graph.
Lifetime graph.
Must and should take.
You can take the information about your life.
Yes.
Okay.
Ups and downs and everything about life.
Right. This is the RCSI lifetime graph.
Lifetime graph.
And 2025, the lifetime graph number is 12.
Okay.
And edge point is 5. And this year, the age is 30. And edge point is 5. And this year also 5 number.
Okay.
Graph number.
Okay.
And 2030, the lifetime graph is number is 13. It's a very danger number, 13 number. This is the death number. And age is 35.
Okay.
His age is 35 in future.
In future, next.
And lifetime graph also 3.5.
Okay.
So gradually downfall.
Yes, gradually decreasing.
Decreasing. And 2035, the graph number is 14 and age is 40.
40.
2 number is graph.
Okay, graph is becoming.
So gradually see
Yes.
5, 3.5 and 2.
Okay, graph is decreasing.
Decreasing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You can also know your graph is decreasing,
Or
increasing.
Yes.
Definitely you are going to invest any money for any business or any investing any new startup.
Startups, any business and all.
So you can see your lifetime graph is decreasing or increasing.
We can check.
So whenever you are increasing, you can start any startup.
New business.
Your lifetime graph is decreasing because this situation you are not investing any startup. Okay.
Yes, we cannot do any startups.
Yes. And you can also believe the universe. Numbers rules the universe.
Yes.
And this is the basic grid. 1995, November 13 is the date of birth of RSSI.
Okay.
And this is the Satvik line. This is the famous line. He also have the 954. This is the 954. This is the Bandhan Yoga. 954, 94, 49, 54, 45. This is all the Jail Yoga, Bandhan Yoga, and Lawyer Yoga, Doctor Yoga.
Okay.
Here is activated this yoga.
Okay.
Extra 9
Extra 9 is there. Extra
and extra 8 also
Yes.
here is. And Mahadesha Saturn and Antardesha Saturn and Ketu and personal year also 8, PD also 9 and Gochar also 6.
Yes.
So in future definitely he have the jail yoga,
Okay, he may be arrested because of the scam.
prison yoga,
Yes, sir.
because he is also cheated many people.
is cheating and getting scams.
Yes.
Yes.
And this one also RSSI. Calling name is RSSI.
RSSI.
So 22 number is Charlian, 39 number is Pythagoras, and 22 number is name number, 88 number also in pyramid number.
Okay.
So his real name is RSSI Katira.
Okay.
These numbers are not good. 38 number is the 2 number is again going to 2 number. It is the enemy number to the date of birth.
Okay.
71 number also it is the enemy number.
Okay.
And 38, 45 also enemy numbers the date of birth.
Okay.
So your name number is equally and friendly or neutral. It is to your date of birth.
Okay.
But it is the enemy number.
Okay.
Okay, KRCSI is the very best number to the date of birth
Okay.
because he born in 13. He born in 13.
Yes.
That is the reason. And birth number and destiny number. The destiny number also 3. And birth number also 4. So here is wonderful. K Archasai is the wonderful matching number.
Okay.
Because it is going to 6, this is the 5, this is the 6, and this is also 3. So ending the destiny also 3, the pyramid number also 3. So definitely your name is matching for your date of birth. Definitely you can achieve the more victories in your life and big victories in your life. Okay, this is the Harchasai name, original name and calling name, and this is the Vedic grid.
Yes.
Definitely this grid activated already.
Okay.
This is the depression and fighting, quarrel and jail yoga also.
Okay.
Okay. And these one also, this is divided to family.
Okay. Divide always separated.
Separate family also. Okay.
Yes, I need to.
And this is the lifetime graph.
Of her.
This is the lifetime graph. Okay.
This graph
So
already
you can take the your lifetime graph. What is going on decreasing and increasing every year, your lifetime graph. Okay.
Yes.
Please like and share and activate the bell icon. Forward this video near and near. Happy Bharat. Happy Varal Bharat. Well, thank you. Thank you.